Okay, here's the 2007 Pontiac Vibe, the shifter for the automatic transmission. In order to gain access to this shifter, the first thing is you're going to have to pull out this panel. This is a panel that, the very top panel, and it can be easily pried out with your hands. If you need to, and some of them might be stuck, you might have to get your plastic wedge to get under it, like this. But that has to come out. The next thing is pull the center knob right there off of the control, because underneath there's a Phillips screw. Once you remove the Phillips screw, then this panel will come out. That's where the Phillips screw goes. Okay, I use these little elastic things. I got to be careful not to scratch anything, so I put it in a way that it won't scratch. But to hold these things out of the way, the next thing you have is there's 3 screws. This is the tower that surrounds the cover that surrounds the shifter, and there's a Phillips head screw right there. There's another one on the right side, just the same. You get the light on it right there, light and the camera. Okay, that's a challenge, getting the light and the camera on it. Okay, then down underneath, after you remove this little ashtray looking thing, it's not an ashtray, it's actually probably a holder for glasses and things like that. It goes right down here. I'm going to get outside where I can show it better. Because it's really hard to see it inside the car. It goes right in this area. It's not real hard to get out. You just have to get down in there and, well, you'll just have to look at it, get your head down in there where you can see it. But once you get that removed, then you can access this other screw that's right there. I'm going to switch this light. Give me more light. Okay. Now, so what we're going to do, it's going to kind of go in reverse, because I had to figure this thing out. I could not find a video on this, so I had to do it myself. Now there's 2 different electrical connectors that go to this shifter assembly, and what they have is they have these little push releases on the side of them. Kind of hard to see, but there's a little push on one of them, and here's the little push on the other one. This was the hardest one. Okay, and then after you get those released, there's also 2 cables. The largest one has these little pushes on the side of it. You just have to get in there with a screwdriver and push them. Or you've had some real thin needle noses, and then of course here's on the end of it. It slides on to this shaft right here. Point this out with a screwdriver. Here's the shaft. Right there. Okay, and on the other one, it connects. There's the second cable connects right here. And of course, it comes right through here, which it's not hard to disconnect that one. It's fairly reasonably simple. So I'm going to go ahead and connect these cables, and then I'll be back in just a second.